In this video, we will explore the power outlet fuse location in the Honda CR-V. Whether you need to replace a blown fuse or want to add new accessories to your vehicle, understanding the fuse location is crucial. So come with me and stay tuned. In the 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V, you'll have two fuses used for the rear and front power socket, and all of the fuses are located on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard. So here they are. You can find the front accessory power socket fuse in fuse slot number 18. The rear accessory power socket is in the fuse slot number 2. Check if the filament inside is broken. If it is, you've found the issue. Replace it with a fuse of the same amperage. In the 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V, you can find the power outlet fuse in the instrument panel fuse box. It is located on the left of the driver's side floorboard. So here are the fuses that you need to check. There is a rear accessory socket fuse in the number 28. Then, you can find the front accessory socket fuse next to it. If your car is equipped with a center outlet, you can find the fuse in number 31. Carefully remove the blown fuse using a pair of needle nose pliers or a fuse puller. In the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V, you can find the power outlet fuse in the cabin fuse box. It is located on the left of the driver's kick panel area. So here they are. In this fuse box, you can find the center console accessory power socket fuse in fuse spot number 12. Then, for the front accessory power socket, you can check it in the fuse spot number 27. They are the 20 amp fuse in yellow color. Just like the predecessor, in the 2017 to 2022 Honda CR-V, the power outlet fuse is located in the cabin fuse box. You can find it in the driver's side floorboard area. So here are the fuses. There is a center console accessory power socket fuse in number 10, a front accessory power socket fuse in number 29, and a cargo area accessory power socket fuse in H fuse spot. Ensure the replacement fuse has the same amperage rating as the blown fuse. In the 2023 to 2024 Honda CR-V, you can find the power outlet and USB fuse in the cabin fuse box. It is located beneath the driver's side dashboard. So here are the fuses. There is a front accessory power socket fuse in number 9. USB port fuse in number 20 and cargo area accessory power socket fuse next to it. If the fuse is blown, you will see a break or burn mark in the transparent window. If the fuse is intact, the metal wire inside will be continuous. So there you go. Thanks for watching and see you next time.